You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn once and for all how to pronounce the name of this Venezuelan Nobel Peace Prize. If you want to learn how to say Nobel, which one is it? Stay tuned, I've got a video for you. The Spanish pronunciation here is Maria Corina Machado. Maria Corina Machado. Therefore, in English, you can simply pronounce it as Maria, I would say Maria Corina Machado. It's easy, and now you know. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.